I'm telling you, this Cricut Maker is awesome. Yes, it's great. Yes, I set it up. I plugged it up. I connected it to the computer. Yes, it's up. The first project? No, I ain't do the first project yet. Well, let me get to crafting. All right, bye, girl. Have you made your first project yet? Well, come on, join me and let's get crafting. Coming up next. What was your favorite thing that came? Hey everyone. Hey everyone, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity. On this channel, we do creative crafts, fun tutorials, and crafty talks. Does this sound like something you'll be interested in? If it does, please subscribe below. I'm so excited because on this video, we're going to make our first project. And what's our first project? A smile card. So, if you already have hooked up your machine, logged on to Cricut Design Space, you'll be ready to make your first project. The materials needed for this project was included in your Cricut Maker. Inside this wonderful envelope that says materials for your first project, you will find white cardstock, a piece of blue cardstock, and a piece of fabric. With this project, you'll be using both mats that came with your machine, as well as your black marker. Let's get crafting. All right, friends, this project says it's an easy project and it will take between 30 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna go ahead and click make it. All right. So to prepare our mat, it's telling us to go ahead and take our white cardstock. We're gonna line it up on our mat. We're gonna click continue. Putting our pen into clamp A, it's already there. And we're gonna click continue. It's asking us if the blade is in, it is. And we're gonna go ahead and load it up and click the flashing button. Now it is telling us to press go. There it goes. And it is drawing. What I love about the Cricut Design Space is that it also, if you look on your computer screen, or if you're using an iPad, it will tell you the percentage that it is to complete the task that it's doing now. So right now we're at 85%, 92. Yay, it's at 100. Now it's detecting our tool to cut. Yay. This is awesome. And right now it's going in and actually cutting out each letter of the word smile. We're at 69% of completion. I am so excited. Yay! All right, 100% complete. Yay! All right, what is it telling us next to do? Unload. All right, it says open clamp A, remove pin. I'm gonna put the top on our pin, and it's telling us to close clamp A. To remove cardstock without curling, gently bend the mat until one edge is released. And then it says flip mat, press cardstock against a flat surface, and then slowly pull. It says fold card in half. And I'm gonna do that to try to line it up. All right, friends, I am trying to fold my card. So excited. And then it says insert liner into the corners. Insert liner. Ooh, I got it, I got it, I got it. Wow, it's definitely giving it the pop of color in the corners. Wow, look at that, everyone. Look at that, yay. Okay, but we are not finished. It says continue. All right, now we're gonna continue. And we're gonna embellish our card. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I already know that we're gonna go to the next mat, our pink mat. Click continue. All right, so in order to embellish our card, it's telling us step by step of exactly what to do. So it says, let's start a new project, and we're gonna click on new project. And a blank canvas is coming up, and it steps you through everything. So it says this is where you create your own projects from scratch or make edits to an existing project. So it's asking us to click on an image. All right, and it's telling us that we can browse through already ready to cut materials. All right. All right. And for this project, we're gonna select the kite. Aww. Insert image. We will size it. We like the size and color of the kite, and so let's make it. I like the size of it too, so let's make it. Click make it. All right. The mat looks good. Let's continue. So this is where it's going to tell you exactly where it show up on the mat. I'm going to move our wonderful card over here. And for this project, we're using fabric. Yay! Which is this? Okay, and it's cotton. So this is key. We have to change our blade. So we're gonna go into clamp B. Oops. All right. Take this out. I'm gonna stick this right here. So my rotary blade is here. And this, the interchangeable adaptable tools for this is one of the things that I really, really, really love. All right, it is definitely in place. All right, clamp B is closed, and we're going to click on continue. And we're going to put our fabric on our mat. This fabric is so pretty too. I love the colors. Beautiful kite. All right. So once we have put the kite in, I'm gonna go ahead and load it. I'm just gonna read it real quick. Place the mat down, slide the mat underneath both the mat guides, keep the mat pushing firmly against the rollers, and press the load unload button. And the load unload button will be the button that is blinking. So we're gonna go ahead and push that. And it's ready to go. So when it's flashing, it's ready to do it. It's going in, and look, it's beginning to detect the tool that we have changed in there. I think it's detected, everyone. And now we're gonna begin cutting. Oh, wow, amazing. Wow, that was super fast. Let's unload it, friends. All right, this looks amazing. We're gonna continue. And I mean, it doesn't even look like it cut it, but friends, it did. Here is our kite. Look at that. And it says, adhere the kite to our card. And I know somewhere on this table I have some craft glue. All right. And I am going to go ahead and put some craft glue. Right there in this diamond. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Well, did you enjoy today's project? I surely did. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting!